Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see your network adapter speed on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just soft click on the Start button one time. Type in Control Panel. Best match to go back with Control Panel listed right above App. So go ahead and left click on that. Set your view by to category view, and then select the network and internet option over here on the left side. Select network and sharing center. And now there should be underneath internet over here on the right side, there should be a hyperlink here where it says connections. It's going to say something likely different in your case. Might say Ethernet, might say Wi-Fi. You want to go ahead and just left click on it. So it doesn't really matter what it's called so much, just so that there's something here with a hyperlink. And once you've done that, you should also notice now on this new page that comes up, there should be a speed listed here, and it'll tell you what your speed is in gigabytes per second or perhaps megabytes per second as well. So it'll be listed right there. And you also have further information too to see how much has been recently sent and received to onto your computer. So pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.